Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manorama. In today's video we are going to solve 10 Python programming problems. Problem 11. Write a Python program to reverse a string. Hashtag solution. Def reverse underscore string. S. Return S. -1. String equals hello world. Single quote. Print. Reverse underscore string. String. Output. Dalrao, Ola. Problem 12. Write a program to check if a number is a perfect number. Hashtag solution. Def is underscore perfect underscore number. N. Devices equals. I for I in range. 1. N. If n% I equals 0. Return sum. Devices. Equals n. Num equals 28. Print. Is underscore perfect underscore number. Num. Output. True. Problem 13. Write a program to find the GCD of two numbers. Hashtag solution. Import math. Def GCD. A. B. Return math.gcd. A. B. Num1. Num2 equals 56. 98. Print. GCD. Num1. Num2. Output. 14. Problem 14. Write a program to calculate the LCM of two numbers. Hashtag solution. Import math. Def LCM. A. B. Return ABS. AB. Math.gcd. A. B. Num1. Num2 equals 12. 15. Print. LCM. Num1. Num2. Output. 60. Problem 15. Write a program to print the Armstrong number between 1 and 1000. Hashtag solution. Def is underscore Armstrong. N. Digits equals. Int. Digit. For digit in str. N. Return n equals sum. D asterisk len. Digits. For D in digits. Def Armstrong underscore numbers. For num in range. 1. 1001. If is underscore Armstrong. Num. Print. Num. Armstrong underscore numbers. Output. 1,153,371,407. Problem 16. Write a program to check if a string is an anagram. Hashtag solution. Def is underscore anagram. str1. str2. Return sorted. str1. equals sorted. str2. str1 equals listen. str2 equals silent. Print. Is underscore anagram. str1. str2. Output. True. Problem 17. Write a program to find the ASCII value of a character. Hashtag solution. Hashtag solution. Def ASCII underscore value. C. Return odd. C. Char equals A. Print. ASCII underscore value. Char. Output. 65. Problem 18. Write a program to count the number of vowels in a string. Hashtag solution. Def count underscore vowels. S. Vowels equals ayo. Return sum. 1 for char in S if char in vowels. String equals hello world. Single quote. Print. Count underscore vowels. String. Output. 3. Problem 19. Write a program to generate all the prime numbers up to n. Hashtag solution. Def is underscore prime. N. If n less than 2. Return false. For I in range. 2. Int. N asterisk 0.5. Plus 1. If n% I equals 0. Return false. Return true. Def prime underscore numbers underscore up underscore to underscore n. N. Return. I for I in range. 2. N plus 1. If is underscore prime. I. N equals 30. Print prime underscore numbers underscore up underscore to underscore n. N. Output 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Problem 20. Write a program to find the sum of the digits of a number. Hashtag solution. Def sum underscore of underscore digits. N. Return sum. Int. Digit. For digit in str. N. Number equals 12,345. Print. Sum underscore of underscore digits. Number. Output. 15. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.